Hi guys, it's Karen. I really was not looking for a good place to put my elbow. Not planning on doing a video, and I'm really not doing a video. I am still trying to clean this monstrous undertaking of a craft room, and I don't think it'll ever be done. I need like a full clean force to come in, maybe with a pressure washer and just blow everything out of here and start fresh. However, I am working very diligently and very hard, and we are at a point where a roll of tape is stuck to my floor. And it's not just regular tape. I forget what it was called when I bought it, but I bought it because everything I try and hang on the wall falls down. So I thought, well, surely this Gorilla, it's not Gorilla, I can't think of the name of it. But it must have fallen on my wood floor, and I can't get it up. We have tried everything. And when I mean we, I mean Bailey. Bailey, say hi. Have been just really trying to get it off, and we can't. So I've come to the point where I might have to use my little drip block drips that are left of my undo. And yes, I buy undo by the 32 ounces because that's how much I use it, because that's how many mistakes I make. So I'm thinking we're just going to have to dump some of this on the tape, which is not going to hurt the tape because the tape will get sticky again. It's not going to wreck the tape at all, and that's what's so magical about undo. So I'm going to turn you around and show you our problem, and we're going to give it a shot of undo and see what happens. So let me see. Oh, can I not turn you around? Well, that's ridiculous. Shouldn't I be able to flip you guys? Huh, what does that do? Nothing. All right, well, I'm not going to flip you. I'm going to just have to show you. Okay, so this is the tape. And I'm telling you, it is like I cannot budge it. And we definitely have been trying and trying. So let me give you something to lean on so you get a good view. Is that good? All right. So, and I'm not concerned with my floor either, because undo is magical once again, and it doesn't wreck anything. Or maybe I should cover a little. So, and I do believe I have a drawing I'm supposed to be picking names. If you watched my last video, and if you shared it, I have the prize right over here somewhere. Oops. Here it is, a fresh bottle of undo. So if you haven't done it, I'm going to pick a winner soon, so you better get over there. All right, so I have the undo in there, and we just got to try and get it underneath. Maybe I should pour some in the middle, too. Hang on. Undo has never let me down, so if it doesn't do it, then we're in big trouble. Oh, I thought this was a credit card, but it's not. It's just a cardboard. All right. Oh, my gosh. Come on, undo. Don't fail me now. All right, let's not worry here. My husband will just kill me. So if this is your last video of mine, because I've wrecked the hardwood floors, it was great knowing you all. And everything in my craft room can just be fought over. And whoever wants whatever, work it out. I know my kids don't want it. Oh my gosh. Whoever thinks they need really strong tape, get this. All right, can you guys see? You'll probably fall over now, but all right. Bailey, did you give up? All right, this is just crazy. I need something. Oh, maybe if no one minds if I borrow the undo prize to use the little scraper. I'm not gonna use any undo. I'm just looking for something to stick under there. I did see a little movement. Holy cannoli. Oh, it's moving. Oh, we did it, Bay. See, no damage was done to the Undo prize at all. Did you guys see that? Undo is like a miracle worker, and I am shocked at how much. Oh, putting it back on the floor. That was insane. This tape is crazy. But at least I know that it will stick to stuff, and I know that I can get it unstuck with my Undo. Wow. Okay, well, we did it. I mean, it's insane. Whatever this is called. I'm going to find out what it's called. And I think I have enough that I can do a drawing for that also. And now that I'm all sweaty. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to take this opportunity. A couple of people have asked me, have had trouble with being a new stamper and not knowing what to buy, not knowing how to use things. And I think that we do just kind of gloss over that people might know how to cut the paper in half, and what's portrait and what's landscape, and what do you have to buy, what is totally necessary that needs to be bought to start. What is the bare minimum that we can make cards with by not spending a ton of money? So I'm going to do, and I think I'm going to do it on Sunday, I think I'm going to do Simple Sundays. And every Sunday, we're going to start from the beginning. What do I need to buy? And then how do I use it? I had one of my customers, and she just bought the paper trimmer and couldn't figure out what she was doing wrong because everything was an inch off. And I never thought about it, but you know, to the right of the trimmer, that's an inch. If you're not knowing anything about the trimmer, you would think that's the 1 inch and that's where you start. So she eventually figured it out, but it just made me think, what a failure I am as a demonstrator if I haven't demonstrated for people that are just starting. So that's what we're going to do. And I think I'm going to start this Sunday. And I'm thinking, since we're on the East Coast, probably like maybe 4 o'clock on Sunday. That sounds good. If that changes, I'll put another video up to tell you that. But yeah, 4 o'clock on Sunday. I may be thinking of doing a live. I don't know, because I don't think anybody'd come, and that would be sad if I was talking to myself. So anyway, if that changes, I'll let you know. If I can bribe some people to come, then maybe we can do that. All right, well, thanks for stopping by, and I will let you know the name of this unbelievably strong tape. So thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye.